The ELEUPFS 12A 36V golf charger can fully charge a golf cart battery in approximately 6 to 12 hours and then switches to trickle mode for maintenance. Its advanced multi-stage charging program assesses the battery's health and condition during the charging process, optimizing the charging solution and extending battery life by at least 30%. This charger includes a low-temperature charging chip and multiple protections against overheating, overcurrent, and automatic cutoff, ensuring the battery remains in peak condition. The charger is built to last over 20 years and comes with a generous 3-year warranty, providing long-term reliability and peace of mind. In case of any issues, the ELEUPFS support team promises a quick response within 24 hours to resolve any problems you might encounter. Additionally, the charger is equipped with comprehensive protection features such as overshoot, overvoltage, reverse connection, and overheating protection, enhancing its safety and reliability.